Introducing the Anti Snipe Load Binder, a new design and load binding technology that revolutionizes and builds upon previous load binding tools to increase the level of safety and security in the load binding industry. This new design helps reduce injury and risk to the operator, as well as decreases maintenance and user frustration issues. The Anti Snipe Load Binder borrows from the lever system as well as the ratcheting system currently on the market. The Anti Snipe Load Binder uses an adjustable threaded member to reduce or increase tension depending where in the chain link the binder is connected, so that the force required to secure the load is measured accordingly. It also employs a T-shaped handle to employ leverage necessary to achieve sufficient tension. The T-shaped handle also deters use of modified leverage, such as snipes or cheater bars. The Anti Snipe Load Binder also reduces the use of moving parts, springs, pawls, and bearings present in the ratchet-style binder. This makes the Anti Snipe Load Binder a tool that fills a gap currently in the load binding market. It employs a design that is user-friendly, intuitive, and is driven by safe practice procedures.